How to download your topics on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download your topics on Facebook mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and now go down, click this one, download your information, and then click the select all and go down, click here, select your topics and go down, select data range, format and media quality, and then just click create file. After you click on it, just wait and it will be created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.